Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to revisit something that we did, I think it was quite a long time ago. I think it was in 2017, something like that. We did a pouring, a flip cup. I'm not sure we did a flip cup. Yeah, I think we did. We did a flip cup with dishwashing soap. I think the result was great, and by the way we have the amount of view, I should say, that we had at those times, I think we're about 40,000 view, something like that, even more than that. I think it's interesting, and it did interest a lot of people. So this time what we're going to do, we're going to do again, we're going to mix with our acrylic, we're going to mix dishwashing soap and a tongue twister for me. And we're going to mix with it, we're going to add some Floetrol. So I think it's going to be interesting, the work between the two of them, because as we saw, I think it gives a nice finish, a nice soft finish with the dishwashing soap, and the Floetrol is going to make a little bit of cells, and well, the dishwashing soap did also make a few cells, but a nice finish, a soft finish, like I said. So let's try it, and let's come back to the end to talk about it. Let's go. Well guys, again, I think we have a very nice result. I think I'm not sure the mix between the Floetrol and the dishwashing soap did make a whole lot of difference from the one that we did last time. Anyway, you'll be the judge. I'm gonna put you up some picture if I can find some. So anyway, I'm gonna put the link in the cards so that you can look at it. But I think it's quite similar than when we didn't use Floetrol. I think it's nice though. I think the way we did it, well, as you saw, I had to stop somewhere because that's always a problem with pouring. We never know how it's hard to decide when to stop and move our acrylic on the canvas. We're never quite sure, and we're always searching for the quite perfect angle, but sometimes it's hard to find. I think we did find the right angle for this. I think it's smooth. You know, the only thing different with the dishwashing soap, I think the finish is more soft. It's a softer finish. For me, it's a nicer one, and it smells good. So what can you have go wrong with that? So guys, I hope you're gonna try it because, like I said, it's different and it's a lot less expensive than using silicone or even white glue, even if it's not that much expensive. I think the money aspect of it doesn't matter. If you like a finish when you do it, for the amount it takes, doesn't matter. So, but I think that the way we did it with the Floetrol and the dishwashing soap, even if it's not a big difference, I think there is some. And for me, as you saw, Nicole was with me and she was saying not to put some black. But I think black gives a nice deepness to the finished product. I think it's nicer that way. Well, it's always a question of taste. Anyway guys, I hope you're gonna try it, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys.